Perfect timing. Yay! My FabFitFun winter box has arrived. You guys remember I teamed up with them in the summer for their summer box? The winter one's here. So a big thanks to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. Let's go unbox it because I'm seriously not feeling any of this gray, cold, dreary weather. But first, let's get some tea. Come on, Nora! Hot tea. I mean, cozy, excited. Let's jump into this. All right, so do you guys know the drill with FabFitFun? I know I mentioned it in my summer box. I will link that video below or up here. Basically, the deal is that you get all of these full-size, amazing products, over $200 worth of value for $49.99. And if you like what you see and you're curious in maybe treating yourself, because who doesn't want to treat themselves every now and then, I do have a coupon code, it's Muse. I'm gonna link everything below where you can get $10 off your first box. I think the best part about FabFitFun is you're never quite sure what's gonna be in it. Although there is an option to personalize some of this, I'll get into that later, but it's like a present. All right, let's jump into it. Also, I love that the box can be recycled. That's important to me. Woo! So you get lots of little, you get the magazine and lots of little advertisement thingies, which I will look at later. I want to get to the goods here. And because it's seasonal, I'm already seeing all sorts of like cozy things. I'm going to the first cozy thing I see here. I'm not sure if it's a scarf or if it's a blanket, but we're gonna open it. So it's Mark and Graham personalized gifts. Okay. This, ooh, I know, Nora, you want one too. Okay, this is a blanket? I'm thinking it's a blanket, like a little throw blanket. I love this. It's so soft and cuddly. Perfect timing too, and actually totally matches what I'm wearing, but also my living room. It's really sweet. It feels like really nice quality, which I like. I feel like I want to go to the next cozy thing I see. Bear Paw, live life comfortably. Ooh, cute. Who doesn't need a pair of gloves? I'm not sure if my short hair can work with this headband, but we'll try it. Does it work? Or do I look like a mushroom head? I'm trying to wiggle my eyebrows, my Botox is not letting me. It's a look. It's warm. I feel like my daughter's going to inherit it. But these gloves, I'm always in the market for gloves. I always have gloves in my jacket pockets. Perfect. Fingers are free to get on that telephone. Those are nice and cozy. I like them. And they're black, which is totally versatile. You can always make that work, a nice neutral. So that's pretty cute. Okay, what next? This is from Black. So this is an eye mask. Oh, 5 masks. What's this about? Late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget, oh, I love good branding on packaging. I've never tried these. Oh yeah, cool. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna have the best eyes now. And you can see that there's like a liquid in it. You put them under your eyes to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. Oh, that's so cool. Because you never know like which brands to buy. So it's kind of fun that I get to actually have 5 of them. You know what I mean? It's not just like a trial set. Ooh, hello, what's this? Are you kidding me right now? Oh my gosh, dry shampoo. Is this called Orib? Is that how you say it? There's always a point when I'm opening my FabFitFun box where I need to know how much this is because I'm pretty sure that I tried Gold Lust dry shampoo, that I tried to buy the texture spray from this brand and I was like, oh no, because that's like way too pricey for my tastes and I don't usually hold back. So, hey Siri, search Orib Gold Lust dry shampoo. That's $44 for dry shampoo. What? That's crazy. I'm so excited to try it. I'm gonna have the best hair ever and it's winter and who wants to wash their hair because it's hat season? Am I right? I'm excited. Okay, see? Full-size products. That is awesome. Next thing, 2 essential oils. Ooh, sweet orange and eucalyptus. Lovely. I'm all about that oil life. I even recently got in my car this little diffuser where it has like a little, basically an oil diffuser. Oh, it smells so good for the car. I love orange, like anything orange scented. Let's just sniff it, shall we? Oh, it smells so nice. So the sweet orange, it says, is for energizing, and then the eucalyptus is revitalizing. Also, I really like eucalyptus when I'm not feeling very good. I find it's like very, like if you have a stuffy nose or you just want to take a nice hot bath and have like a nice scent in the air, those, like I really like the eucalyptus scent, so I love it. Who doesn't like a little oils? And I like to have them in my car, so win-win. Couple more things. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 more products. Okay, so we have from the brand Ahava, a hydration cream mask, all about hydrating, which is perfect in these cooler months. Oh, and it's not overly fragrant, which I like, because sometimes my skin can be a little bit sensitive, so that'll be fun to try. What do we have here? From Thrive Cosmetics, a brilliant eye brightener. Ooh, a highlighting stick. Love me some highlight. Oh, that's pretty. Especially for the holiday season, as you start to get into all like the Christmas parties and things, you just want to have like a little shimmer. I've been holding off on this cozy thing. Ooh, cute. Over the knee women's socks. Basically, you just want to get me one giant sock, I'll just live in it. Okay, hold on, let's see what this is about. Oh my gosh, these are fabulous. I don't think it would go with my sweatpants right now, but I kind of want to put them on. I have a very cute sweater that could work with these, a little sweater dress, especially if you're wearing like taller boots. These are adorable. And last but not least, fitness discs. Oh my god, this is so cool. Brooke Burke, I didn't even know she had a fitness line. That's probably why she's on the cover of the FabFitFun magazine here. So let's see. So I think how this works. Should I show you guys? Should I get down and do it in my sweatpants? I probably should. All right, so I looked online and there's a really good move you can do that's like a mountain climber kind of thing. Let me tell you, I need all the fitness I can get right now. Okay, so we're gonna plank it out. Oh my god, that's no joke. Can I do both feet?
Try it.
Oh my god, help me, Jesus. Woo! Whew. I'm breaking a sweat, I only did 3. I am feeling this. So don't forget, if you're interested in getting your own box, use code MUSE, links below. Thanks to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. I'm living my best life right now. Eucalyptus, take me away. I got 10 minutes till I gotta pick up some kids from school. Let's enjoy this.